Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where device USB keeps disconnecting, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. First of all, try connecting the device to a different USB slot. Check if it is going to fix the issue or not. If it does not, then we will proceed to the next solution. Now, the next solution is to search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Scroll down, expand the list for Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on USB Root Hub and update the drivers, and do it for all the Root Hub drivers. If that doesn't fix, then right click on the Start button, select Settings, go to the Windows Update tab, and then click on Check for Updates in the right pane. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.